Did you know that statistics reveal that 22 billion pairs of shoes are dumped into the landfill each year? So if you're watching this in hopes to clean and restore your shoes, I want to sincerely say that I'm proud of you. And due to the fact that shoes today are made of so many different synthetic materials, it takes much longer to decompose than ever before. To be exact, 30 to 40 years. So today we'll be focusing on how to clean your shoes easily and frequently so that they don't get past the point of no return. Let me show you just a few simple and easy ways to do just that. Let's get to it. Have you ever been annoyed that after barely wearing your new or favorite shoes, they get scuffed after one wrong step? I know I have, and it's frustrating because such a little scuff can make a huge difference. Let's jump straight into our fix. First off, we need to use a very fine grit sandpaper in order to remove any loose fibers from your scuff. Gently brush the surface, making sure not to use a lot of pressure. Now all you have to do is take your favorite leather conditioner and apply it directly to the scuffed leather. And as you'll see, each conditioner, no matter the brand, is going to come out nearly with the same result. Some conditioners may use oil, so those are going to come out darker, and others barely darken at all. If you guys take anything from this video, I want you to know one of the main reasons why your leather scuffed and lamed in the first place, and that's because your leather was dry. So what's the solution? You got it. We need to hydrate our leather so that it becomes supple, flexible, and resilient against future bumps and scrapes. Now, of course, there are exceptions, but I'd personally say that 90% of old-looking leather can easily be fixed by hydrating and conditioning your leather. And of course, it's best to prevent your leather from getting dry in the first place, so I'd recommend lightly conditioning your leather at least quarterly throughout the year, even if it's just sitting on your shelf. And that goes for shoes, boots, bags, belts, and even jackets. Now I know that this sounds like a lot of work, but trust me when I say doing this is actually saving you time and money, not taking it away. How, you ask? Because the more often you properly care for your items, the longer they'll last, and the longer they last, the more you can get use out of them. And even if you fall out of love with them, they'll be worth more if you try to sell them secondhand to recoup your investment. But if you don't care for what you own, it'll become old and damaged sooner, and you'll have to spend more time making more hard-earned money so that you can buy more stuff, and the cycle will just continue. Alright, I'm done ranting, so let's get back to cleaning. Another great way to elevate your shoes is to clean the dirt, dust, and debris from your midsole or welt stitching. This can make a worn pair look like new. And I know, out of sight, out of mind, right? Well, your insoles can get pretty grimy over time, which can contribute to the overall wear of your shoes, so frequently wiping them out can actually go quite a long way. Just so you guys know, this video was not sponsored, but it is supported by those of you who watch until the end, comment, subscribe, share, and like the video. Thank you guys so much. Again, yet another way to elevate your shoes is to brush them often. Using a horsehair brush will remove dust, dirt, and debris while keeping your leather smooth and shiny. It's often when our shoes look dirty and unkept that we stop enjoying them. But ironically, if we just took better care of them, we'd probably love them even more. Alright guys, I'm dying to know what you think, so drop a comment below sharing your best practices or routines, and if you don't have any yet, what are your plans? Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you got value today. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get my latest videos. And remember that a little preventative effort can go a long way on your leather loving journey. And if you guys are looking to restore your combat boots this season, you gotta check out my ultimate guide for Doc Martens. See you next time.